Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Thanks for tuning in. I'm taking the absolute animal out today. I haven't done a video on this except for the previous one. I've just had a miss in it for so long, and it's been sorted, so it is mental now. It must have been running at about 60% power. It's a absolute beast, truly. I'll give you a listen to it cold start. Listen to that. It is a weapon, truly. It's unbelievable in handling too, guys. This thing handles so well. You can see where I'm getting down on the rubber there, so, and on the front, so I'm getting down to about 51 on average, 50, 49, that sort of stuff. So thanks for tuning in, and the old saying, let's go riding, guys. Hey guys, thought I'd follow the gang. Got Rob out in front, he's on the 1390 Duke, the GT, they handle pretty well. Then Gary's behind him on the Tiger 900, and yours truly, Phil, is in front of me. But I thought boys probably haven't seen the way they ride, but Phil's riding's improved immensely, guys. He's holding heaps better lines. There's one tricky corner up here that we'll see how he goes through it. But what a great day it's been. We had dry roads and all that. The bike's miss is fixed. As I said, it was water in the fuel, and it wasn't the bike sitting, because I always leave every bike tank totally full, like to the brim. Much better lines. Yeah, much better lines, yeah. So it's, and you'll look at these plugs, I'll put them back up now. I'm not sure if you can see the brown. I'll try to get a bit closer on the plug. It's not black at all. That's from the moisture in the fuel. And the fuel filter, that is meant to be white. Look at the colour of it. And that's the colour of the filter, which is fuel filter, which is meant to be white. So that's why she had a horrible miss in it. So this thing now is absolutely a treat to ride. Now this is that corner that I was saying. It's good that he's staying in his lane. Got to come out wide and then tuck right in. Much better lines. Everyone's having a bit of a cruisy ride. It's a great stretch of road, this. Absolutely love it. is another great section of road. I haven't got one of the Street Fighter on this. For some reason the video doesn't work. Hopefully it is now. You've got to be careful sometimes, there's a bit of dust. I keep bumping the hazard lights for some fucking reason. I'm going to go to turn the blinker off. Right, this is one way, guys, so don't think I'm cutting the corners. Fucking hazard lights. It's off. Yeah. Listen to that supercharger, wow-wee. Bit of fun, wowee. Hey guys, right, this is the conclusions of my thoughts on the H2. Would I go out and buy another H2? And if it was the only bike I could buy, would I consider it as my only bike? 100% I would. I absolutely love the bike. To be honest with you, I love all my bikes, but there's nothing like riding a H2. It's just a fucking beast. Handling wise, really happy with the handling. Horsepower, you'd be probably happy with the horsepower with the standard pipe and everything. I think it's over 200 anyhow. But to get the most performance out of the bike, it's probably good to get a pipe, make it a bit lighter and dyno it, and then it's up to you if you want crazy horsepower and real jerky throttle, or just have heaps of horsepower, crazy horsepower, but smooth throttle, because they can be super jerky if you're just tuning for max horsepower. And after a while, I know you'd probably get sick of riding it because it only takes a little toot toot and you're always But brakes and everything on it, beautiful. How comfortable the bike is, don't have an issue. I've been on it since 8:30 this morning. We stopped for a bit of breakfast. It's 1:10. I've probably got another half an hour to go before I go home, and I'm not one bit sure I could do all that again, no issues at all. So definitely go out and jump on one, test ride it if you're thinking of it, and they're a good weapon to have. They're not too bad on fuel. I'll have a look what I've done so far on fuel. I've put petrol in it, right? Since I've put petrol in it, I've done... hold on. About 140 kilometres. I'm not on reserve or anything like that. The reserve light hasn't come up. But be reserve light on at about 180, I would say. It'd be similar to the Street Fighter. There's hardly no vibration at all. As you can see, I haven't got any of those grip puppies on. I haven't got numb fingers or hands. So it's a definite keeper, this bike. It won't be coming out of my shed unless I buy a later model one. But I've heard that they're getting harder to break into the ECU, and if you are going to get someone to try to break into it, make sure they've done H2s before. But anyhow guys, if there's anything you want to know about the H2 or any of the other bikes, just put it in the comments. And as I always say guys, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in.